So, generative AI, it's pretty much the talk of every boardroom, right? It promises this incredible, unprecedented transformation. But, while all that potential is super exciting, there's a flip side, a really big one that's often dangerously overlooked. So today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the critical, strategic risks that come with this powerful tech. Let's dive in.
And this is really the central question every single leader needs to be asking themselves right now. Because while your teams are out there exploring incredible tools, a whole new set of strategic threats is popping up that could seriously impact your entire company.
And that's really the heart of the matter we're digging into. The immense power of these deep learning models. Well, it comes with a price. Without that C-suite level of oversight, the very technology that's meant to build your future could end up becoming a massive liability. Okay, so to manage the risk, you first have to understand what's under the hood. We're not going to do a deep dive into the code or anything, but getting a high-level grasp of how these models actually work is absolutely essential for any executive making big decisions about them. First up, we've got GANs. The easiest way to think about this is like a constant, high-stakes competition. One part of the AI, the generator, is basically a forger. It creates fakes, let's say an image of a person who doesn't exist. Then the other part, the discriminator, acts like an expert art critic, trying to spot that fake. This endless game forces the forger to get better and better and better at creating totally convincing fakes. Now, diffusion models, they take a completely different path. Imagine starting with pure random noise. It's kind of like old school TV static. These models have been trained to meticulously work backward from that chaos, step by step, refining it until a crystal clear, super high quality image appears. It's less of a game and, more like an act of creation or restoration. And what's so interesting here is how it frames the difference. See, GANs are that brilliant forger locked in a battle with an expert. The entire process is literally built on deception and getting better by being called out. Diffusion models, on the other hand, are more like a master sculptor who carefully carves a masterpiece out of a formless block. And believe me, this fundamental difference in how they work leads to very different kinds of risks. All right, so let's connect the dots here. Let's translate these techie concepts into real-world business problems. We're moving from the abstract to the bottom line, looking at how these ethical red flags can turn into some very real, very painful balance sheet liabilities. And this is the crucial point. When your data scientists start talking about challenges like bias or model interpretability, what you as a leader need to hear is risk of discriminatory lawsuits, and we can't defend our automated decisions. See, these aren't just tech problems anymore. They are C-suite problems. This really lays out the whole spectrum of risk. Let's break it down real quick. Biased training data, that can lead to products that discriminate. And boom, you've got a PR nightmare and legal action on your hands. Data privacy is another giant one. A breach of your AI's training data, yeah, that could be absolutely catastrophic. And that black box problem, it becomes a massive liability when a regulator asks you how your AI made a decision about a customer, and your answer is, we don't know. Okay, now let's zoom in on two of the most explosive risks, the kind of stuff that keeps chief security officers up at night, the weaponization of personal data, and of course, the rise of nearly undetectable deepfakes. And look, these aren't some fringe concerns from a sci-fi movie. They are universally seen as the core ethical failings of this technology if it's left unchecked. The experts are all saying the same thing. These are the central issues we have to confront. Misinformation can torpedo your brand, and a privacy violation can result in fines that make your eyes water. Which brings us right back to the tech itself. Remember our forger versus the sculptor? That adversarial game-like nature of GANs makes them perfect engines for creating deepfakes. But diffusion models, they present a more subtle, maybe even sneakier threat. Their output is so high quality, so realistic, that the fakes become nearly impossible for a person to spot. This creates a whole new level of challenges for trust and verification. So, what do? Well, confronting these risks isn't about slamming the brakes on innovation. Not at all. It's about leading it responsibly. And that requires a major shift from just being passively aware of the problems to taking active, decisive leadership. This one sentence really says it all. This is the bedrock of a sound AI strategy. And it's not a suggestion, it's a mandate. Transparency and accountability, those are the guardrails that make powerful AI safe for your business, your brand, and your customers.
So here's your playbook, your call to action. First, establish oversight. You need to create clear governance. Who in your organization is ultimately on the hook for what the AI does? Second, prioritize transparency. You have to demand that you can understand your AI systems and just reject any black box excuses. Third, mandate fairness. And this isn't a one and done check. It means constant, active auditing for bias in your data and your model's results. And finally, secure your data. The data fueling your AI is one of your most valuable assets. It has to be protected with the absolute highest level of security.
And that's really the ultimate takeaway. This age of AI isn't just about cool new capabilities. It's about a whole new era of corporate accountability. So the question isn't if you're going to use AI. The real question is, are you and your leadership team truly prepared to own its outcomes?